Shenzhen Omni Intelligent Technology Company Limited, a technology enterprise specializing in R&D, manufacture, and sales of intelligent transportation, smart home, and software customized. Omni product has been popular in 100 countries. All products are with tech of GPS, 2G, 3G, 4G, NB-IoT, Bluetooth, LoRa. Main products are smart cycling, smart parking solution, smart personal products, smart home, and other artificial intelligent hardware and app, server program, back-end management system. Offering strong support with 3,000 square meters manufacturing workshop. Own certifications such as FCC, CE, ROS, utility model patents, invention patents, appearance patents. With 176 employees, including 20 people professional sales, they are always responsible, professional, and circumspection to every customer. 40 innovative and professional engineers in R&D team, dedicated to product ID, MD, firmware, hardware, software, to catch with latest market and clients' requirements. Maintaining and improving products to support good after-sales service. Our factory has 6 production lines, including SMT, process welding, programming, testing, assembling. We run our factory under ISO 9001 standard to control the quality. All workers are well trained before participating production. Omni insists on technology as the core, service as the purpose. Provide the high-quality products and service for the global market. Welcome to Omni.